checking the depth of my screw. Ooh, I could drill a little bit deeper, couldn't I? The screws are a bit long for my drill. We'll see how we go. Maybe a bit too long. I actually don't want to risk that, because if I split the wood, I've got to start again. Sorry, timber. And these are the wrong drive. There. Still 40mm. Just need two. I'll get a longer drill for that later on. Machine. Things are going well today, aren't they? Nice and flush. I mean, you could go crazy and you could fix all that, but it's nice and flush now. I'm not going to put anything in the middle, but after every step, I want to check that I haven't made a blue and ruined it. So I'll put this on the sled, on the side, to make sure we haven't made any mistakes. So now you get the picture of what I'm trying to build here. Skinny stuff, just goes in here, nice. You can use long stuff, you can clamp it, get your fingers out, so you just want to take a little bit off the end, clamp it so it doesn't move. You can put a stop block in, like here, measure it perfectly from your saw blade to the stop block, and you can do repetitive cuts and get square cuts and perfect length every single time. That's the benefit of having one of these in your arsenal. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and put the back on. Same method. What I will do is I'll get my countersunk drill bit out now. 8 gauge. These are a great buy if you get them. They're not that dear, these tools. And what they are is, let me clamp that down first. So it doesn't fall off the bench. So what they are is a drill held in by a grub screw, and that drill is for on this particular one, that drill is for a 12 gauge screw. But as you can see in the profile, it's countersunk. But it's not just countersunk, it actually goes to the right depth and then it'll stop. It'll also give your screw a little bit of clearance as you go in. And here's where the threads of your screw are. And I make them in different sizes. Now, they're not deep enough for what I'm doing on this particular part, but they were plenty fantastic for what I did here. That's the one I used to put my rails on. So they're really good. So they're countersunk drill bits, and they fit hex in. You can see the top of the drill coming out there. So you loosen off grub screw there, make your drill whatever length you need. I haven't got a drill long enough for the stuff that I'm doing, but I'll give it a good go to see if I can. That's the 10, I'm using 8. So you can see there, can you see that number there, 8? It goes with the gauge of the screw that you're using. I don't know if you can get in on that. But that's 8 gauge, 10 gauge, 12 gauge. And no doubt you can go much higher, but these are, because I'm just starting out, you know, this is just something I bought from the local hardware store. So let's give it a go. So that's 8 gauge. Here we go. Same size drill. Same size drill. I'm going to put 3 screws in this time. 25mm in. 15mm because it's the same size board. Will get me centre line. That's the first 2. The middle one's going to be at the 300mm mark. So here we go again. There's another way of doing this, and that's to set. Where is my? Here it is. There's another way of doing this. If you say you're doing lines, you can actually set this at your desired distance. Move it through. So that's set at 15mm, say. Lock him down, and you can do this sort of stuff. Put your pencil there and do that sort of stuff. Pretty simple, pretty quick, and it's a great way, as long as you're not going to see the lead pencil, or you can use a scriber, so you're not leaving lead anywhere. Nice sharp pencil, by the way, and then you get it perfect all the time. And that's exactly how I did these screws along here, to get them in the middle. So, great tool to have. Every toolbox should have one. Okay, here we go. So once again, come in my inch. $25mm, up my 15, or I could do it like this, up my 15, and that's where my first screw hole goes. I'm going to put one in the middle. I'll probably put a few more in, but one in the middle, and my clamps are in the way, but about there, 300. Come up with my height. 15mm there, and that will X marks the spot. Okay. Now we're ready to go there. What I'm going to do before we do this, so I'm going to put a couple of witness marks there and a couple of witness marks there. I'll just show you those. Here and one around there. Because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the clamps off and I'm going to glue it. Because this one I can glue. So I'll run some nice glue along there. I always give your glue a bit of a shake. It gets a bit chunky on the ends there. And I really don't want this to move. And the glue also adds support. It's chemical nails in my book. So I just make sure I get it everywhere I need to go. As I found out there's not enough glue on it. As I found out when I put the rails on the board, I put a little too much glue, but it really wasn't a problem in the end. You know, it's when you've got to work fairly fast with this stuff, so you can get a bit of a slide going.